All right, ready? This is a tutorial on how to make templates with a cup and a pair of scissors. All right, let's do this. Super easy. So you're gonna cut your cup. Try to do it in a straight line. I puncture the bottom and then I just keep cutting. And I try to find like the biggest cup I can, because you can always make a template smaller, but it's hard to make it bigger. Well, I guess you could. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, get rid of the bottom. Okay. By the way, you could even use, look at my cup. You could just use this piece of paper, the black one, but whatever. So you don't have a cup like this. You clean it up a little bit. And I like to cut off this like thick edge. You actually don't really have to do that, but I like to. I'm actually probably gonna use this template, so I'm just gonna do it the way I really like to do it. Ta-da! Okay. All right. So this is your template. So what I like to do is I like to take a piece of art foam. It's like this, like styrofoam type of material. It's sold in like Michael's and whatever, all of those stores. And then I just take a marker and I trace it. And depending on how neat you are when you are cutting, you can have a nicer tracing or not. It won't really matter, because all of those details when you do clay, you know, they kind of disappear. And this is your template, and then you cut it out. So if you want to make it smaller, you just take off the same amount of space like on the sides. You know, just trace your lines and try to keep the distance the same. There we go. Again, you don't have to be like super precise actually. It will make less of a difference than you think. And by the way, you could also, of course, take a smaller cup, but you don't have to. So if you wanted to, you could like cut out a smaller one on the inside and, you know, it could go even smaller. But this is basically it. Really easy. Okay, I hope that helped. Have a great day. Bye.